Hello and welcome back. I am joined by the queen of online shopping, Lisa Ackerman. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, and thank you for the title.
Oh, well, you have Luxe Life?
Correct.
Yes, and I mean, it is awesome here in Chicago. Tell us about this brand that you have.
Well, Luxe Life, we are a sales, marketing, and promotional service company that helps individuals and small businesses sell their luxury goods on the internet.
Internet, and it's Black Friday. Internet shopping is going to be going nuts. Let's talk a little bit about that. What are we looking for online?
Well, I personally like fashion. I personally like fashion, and I think that's what really got me into my business, is because I like the average, what women like. You know, I like looking at catalogs and what everybody's buying right now, but I also like the rare and unique and collectible. And you can't just find that in any boutique. New
and vintage. Now, I'm going to make a little, I'm going to tell you, I am scared of eBay because I always wonder if I bid on a product, if it's really going to come to me.
Well, you know, a lot of people, I think, have heard stories about bad purchases on eBay. And I think when eBay first started out, they were like the wild, wild west. There were no controls. And they've really cleaned up their act. What I try and tell people as far as, because I love shopping on eBay, and I love finding those unique deals, and I love a bargain.
Oh, me too.
But when you go and you find something that you like, always look at the seller and look at the seller's history. Do they have good feedback? And that's one thing that really helps me kind of weed through the people that know what they're doing and don't know what they're doing. Also, I think you're going to find that there are a lot of people now, especially around the holidays, that are offering the free shipping that you would normally find at a Saxon and Neiman's and a Nordstrom.
You can do that on eBay.
You're getting free shipping on eBay. They're really promoting that with their sellers. And then another thing that I always look for is what items do they have in their store? If they're selling vintage Chanel earrings, do they really understand what they're selling? If you go to their store and they're selling car oil and widgets, and you know, are they selling all luxury goods? Are these people that really understand the items that they're selling?
And you can find all that. I feel like I have just missed the boat because, for one, I did not know like all this different stuff is out there. So going back to what you were first saying, vintage and rare finds is what you go to on eBay. And then where do you go from there? Would you put in, if you were looking for earrings, or would you put in a bracelet, or do you just kind of start looking?
I brand shop, honestly, because I can trust a brand.
Type of woman.
And I also know that I'm a little fashion fickle myself, and so I may love it this season, but I don't want to sit in my closet for 10 years after that when I no longer love it. And so I'll resell items. You know, I specialize in that type of business. So brands sell. You know, people understand that. You know, Chanel has a certain style sensibility. They have quality tied to it, and if you're buying from reputed sellers, then you're probably going to get something that you're really happy with.
So here's a personal question on my end. I've always wanted a Louis. I think it would be really fun to have a Louis purse, a Louis Vuitton, a little Speedy. Now you walk into the real store and you're looking at like 750 plus, right? Now on eBay, can you find a good deal on those?
I would say your average Speedy right now is going for about 400 if it's in really good condition, like new condition. And I personally, I like Louis Vuitton as well, but I like them a little bit more worn in and not so hard.
Me too.
And you know, somebody who's carried a Louis for 2 years, it's going to look new, it's going to feel new, it's going to have a little vintage feel to it. They've been making that style for over 100 years, so you don't know if it was bought yesterday or 50 years ago.
Now, do you help people like myself? If I came to you and I said, hey, this is what I'm looking for, would you be able to help me do that, or do you do that at your store?
You know, we don't provide those services. I mean, we offer certain items, but I mean, we blog about tips on safe shopping. For instance, we offer a 14-day return policy. I would suggest, especially if you're buying high-end brand name items, that you shop people that offer returns.
That's a good tip.
You know, especially like shoes and things like that. We've all made that bad purchase, and so we offer a lot of things that have been pre-owned, but in excellent condition.
So let's go more into your business real quick before we wrap up. Your business, Luxe Life, tell us in a nutshell what it is.
Well, we help people, individuals and small businesses sell their luxury goods. So in the personal category, personal luxury category, that would be fashion, jewelry, beauty items, and then in the home category, art, antique, decorative, fine furnishings, things of that nature. I'd say about 60% of our business right now is downsizers. People going from a big, large home where they collected a lot of items, they no longer want them, their kids don't want them, and why put it in storage and pay monthly for something you're never going to use again?
And it's that time. Black Friday is right around the corner where we're going to all be spending some money. Why not make some extra money? What's your website?
Absolutely. ShopLuxeLife.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Lisa, for all these wonderful online tips. Guys, coming up next, we've introduced you to all sorts of Black Friday finds, but we're going to get a little crafty. We're going to talk about making that gift that will last a lifetime. Those are memories, folks. We'll be right back. Today's Weekends with Whitney show is brought to you by Glazed Expressions. Give the gift that means the most. Art from the heart. A one-of-a-kind artwork gift. Stop by their locations in Lincoln Park at 717 West Armitage and Downers Grove at 5117 Main Street.